Yo guys, how's it going? AK Moto here. Today we're going to be doing a little video on how to install a ProShot GoPro mount to your helmet. So yeah, let's get right in the video. And you can see my cat Kevin over here is joining us too. Here is the packaging that the mounting system comes in. It's pretty simple. Rubber band right here to keep it kind of squished together. You get a sticker and then your two mounting fasteners. And yeah, so here it is. It's 33 bucks, $32.99. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty good product actually. I've used a few of these. So here it is. Mounts to the front of your helmet like it shows. That like that. You can see the red recording light, and you can actually hear everything you say in your helmet, which that's one of the main things that sold it for me. So here's just generally how you want to install it. Just like that, not up, flush with the bottom of your helmet. So let's unpack it. So straight out of the package. I ordered this in black. These also come in white, like this. Like this. And they also come in pink. I believe that's a limited edition type thing. But yeah, here it is. Pretty shiny, pretty glossy. Yeah, it's just kind of all one piece. Super sweet, super sweet. It's connected with a bolt right there. And then here are the fasteners. The fasteners are really, really neat because they're not necessarily Velcro, but they're kind of like Velcro. They're really, really hard to explain, but they like, you snap them together and they lock. It's not like Velcro. Yeah, there's slightly more focused shot. It's kind of hard to explain, kind of hard for you guys to tell, but let's get straight to mounting this onto the helmets. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, they also do sell these extra packs. So if you get a new helmet, you already have a ProShot left over, and you don't want to have to buy a full new system, you can just buy the mounts separately. So yeah, that's pretty sweet. They come in packs of 4. Alright guys, now on to the installation. So for the installation, you won't need any tools. All you'll need is your motocross helmet, your 2 fastener pieces, and your ProShot. Super simple, and a flat, even surface. Now again, the way you want to mount this is you want it flush with the bottom of your helmet, like so, and you don't want it up here. See how my helmet has grooves? Someone might mount it right here, but you don't want to do that. You want to get it as low as possible. So to install it, all you'll need, you can either do this toolless, or you can use a pencil and a hairdryer or a heat gun to help the adhesives here. But I'm gonna be doing this just with the pencil. Just do a little mark on the helmet. So first, we'll get the helmet, and then we'll kind of mock up the ProShot as if it were to be mounted how we'd want it. So right about there, and then we'll mark, see where my adhesive strip is. We'll kind of mark where that is on the helmet. So it'll be right about there. Mark one right there, so we could put our mounts just like that. Other side, do the same. Make sure it's about even. It doesn't have to be perfect with this thing. It's really nice. Nice thing about it doesn't have to be perfect. You just gotta get pretty close. Alright guys, now I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install these little fasteners onto the helmet. And here's what it should look like when you're done. As you can see, it's kind of bending to the shape of the helmet. Looks good. Alright guys, so first, you're going to want to make sure this is all clean. This is a new helmet, so it's all clean. Then we have our mark right there. We're going to peel back the tape right here. Boom. Then now we're just going to place it on the helmet, kind of covering up our little mark here. Then we want to leave a little bit of space. You don't have to, but this is pure preference. I like to leave a little bit of space. Again, you don't have to. And then we're just gonna stick it down the flat part first. See, I'm not sticking down the curves yet, just the flat parts. Then kind of like for dirt bike graphics, you just want to work it in. Apply pressure, especially at the corners. Now we'll get this part stuck down. Apply lots of pressure. You can see in the corner, it might have a little bit of trouble sticking to the helmet, like it is here. Doesn't really want to stick. So, to combat that, if you have a helmet with a lot of curves, all you gotta do is get your heat gun or hair dryer, and then just kind of heat the material up a little bit. Not too hot, just a little bit. Alright, now we're just going to stick it all the way down, and you can see that's not going anywhere. Now that we heated it up just a little bit, it won't stick down. And I'd wait till the next day to use this, like install this day before you go using it, riding, just so the adhesive has plenty of time to kind of bond to your helmet, kind of stick down and stay there. And it's that simple, guys. There we go. We've installed both of the mounts, and now we'll test fit it out. So you want to have the helmet flat on a level surface. You're going to want to install the ProShot just all the way against the chin. You can hear it wants to stick down, just like this, all the way. ProShot on the ground, helmets on the ground, or the table, laying flush, and we'll stick it down. Test it out. You can kind of hear it click in place. And boom, there it is. Super, super sturdy. Look at that, guys. That thing is not going anywhere. Look. I can pick up the helmet by this, guys. Look at that. Very, very little flex. Very, very, very strong mounting system. Boom. That's it. Now, of course, as you can see, mine's a little bit far down because the helmet padding sticks out. Of course, all you gotta do is just unclip it and then clip it a little higher up. But the lower down it is the better, because you don't want to mount it up here, something high up. And there it is, guys. There's the ProShot mount, all mounted up. And then, of course, to take it off, you do the reverse. You gently pry it. Don't rip it off like that. You just want to gently take it off. And boom. And a quick tip I have for you guys is to get some of these little Velcro mounts. These are the soft ones. Put it right here where your GoPro will be sitting. Just like this. Stick it on. So when you have your GoPro on your helmet, if you get into a crash and it knocks against your helmet, instead of directly just hitting the helmet itself, it'll hit this little, this little soft thing. And that'll also help keep down the vibration. If you butt it up against your helmet, which you don't want to do, you want to have a little bit of space. That'll just kind of help from vibration. And yeah, it's just something I like to do on the side. And then, of course, heat it up just so it stays in place. And there we go. That's it. It is that simple, guys. And to put on your GoPro, it's pretty self-explanatory. You throw on the GoPro onto the mounts, just like that. You throw in the bolt. Alright, and you're just gonna wanna kind of flatten it out. Mount it up, make sure it's not rubbing against this little piece of the helmet. Nope. And boom. So when you ride, your helmet's gonna sit like this, not like this, and your GoPro is gonna record on front of you. And that is it, guys. It is that simple to install a ProShot GoPro mount on the front of your helmet. These things are amazing. I love these things so much. Yeah, I don't have much to say about them. As you can see, here's how it mounts up. I don't have mine fully on. This is just to kind of show you guys. Because once you have it all the way clicked in and on, it can be hard to take out sometimes. So, yeah, definitely holds very secure. Your GoPro won't fall off mid-moto or anything like that. And yeah, there it is. Super clean, blacked out look with this helmet, the GoPro and everything. But yeah. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video.